Hey Booskies, Chichi here. Welcome back. Today I am going to do a little battle royale of something that I've had for a very long time. And I think y'all might like this. So I will be comparing the Louis Vuitton Louise hoop earrings versus the F is for Fendi earrings. These two earrings have been amazing in my collection. Some of you have wanted to see a comparison and I'm doing it now. But if you're new here, hey, I'm Chichi. I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. We're gonna start off with the one I had the longest, and that is the F is Fendi earrings. Now my particular pair are all like this antiqued gold. It has been long gone, but they do still have the version where there is one gold and one silver available on the Fendi website at the time of this video. But I absolutely love these. These hands down are my favorite earrings because it's not super gold the way the Louis Vuitton earrings are. My particular pair, what I love the most about it, other than the fact that it was an antiqued gold, but the detailing on the side, it's crisscross, which gave it a little bit more edge, a little something extra. And then I personally believe they're a bunch of F's crossed together. I never got any confirmation of that. But the thing that I loved about the Fendi earrings is that these are understated, you know, but still doing the most. If you know kind of earrings. And that's what I do like. And I've realized as I am growing up and getting older, I feel like I am liking things that are a little bit less out there, and definitely if you know kind of earring. And I definitely feel like the Fendi earrings are one of those pairs where it's like, is that Fendi? Because it's not saying Fendi, it's not giving Fendi, but it's Fendi. But also the great thing about these in particular, for me personally, is that my last name starts with an F. So a lot of the times people just think this is my last name, not knowing that this is a Fendi earring. These were a lot more comparable in price to the Louise earrings, but the one that is gold and silver, they're at the 500 plus mark. Those are a lot cheaper and they're basically the same size. But this one, there's a whole story behind how I even got these, but I'll put that video up at the top and in the description box. But the Fendis are really, really beautiful. And because these are aged, you can't tell the wear on it. And that's what I also really like. The only thing I actually go ahead and do is take like a Q-tip and just, just rub on the sides or whatever, just to get any like dirt off of it. I have no issues with these. Actually, there's one. I don't know how the hell this happened, but the post for this one, I doubt you can see it, but the post is actually bent. Do not ask me how that even happened, but yeah, it's bent. I was highly upset. I did take it into Fendi to see what they could do about it. And the client advisor that I had, he said, just take it to like your regular jeweler and they may be able to straighten it out. Like Fendi wouldn't even touch it. So that was quite disappointing to hear. But nonetheless, like, I still love these earrings. Down the line, I feel like if I ever wanted to fix the post, I would go to an actual jeweler and maybe have them put in something that is, real gold or something hypoallergenic or something like that, because I do have sensitive ears. These don't bother me one bit. So I'm very happy to have them in my collection. Now, moving on to the Louis Vuitton Louise hoops. These I dragged my foot on. I ain't even going front. I dragged my foot on it because these started getting way too popular on YouTube. And I was just like, oh my God, here goes another person unboxing these. And I liked them for years. And what made me finally pull the trigger with this one is I just liked hoop earrings. And I wanted to build up my little costume jewelry earring collection. And I had bought a different Louis Vuitton earring, but it wasn't hitting. I still have that pair, but it don't hit the same way this one does. So I was like, you know what, girl, just go on ahead and get this. I also have an unboxing video of that, of the whole story. But once I got these, I was like, why did I even wait on these? And I can kick myself because when I was first interested in these, they were at like the high 500 mark. So now they're sitting at $715, and it's just like, girl, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. And I don't see these particular earrings going away because these are a statement earring, and I really love that about them. It's like when you see this earring, boo, you know it's Louis Vuitton, you know she a little bit more bougie, you know what I'm saying? So these are definitely a lot more flashier than my Fendi earrings. And then another thing that really was like, I'm not sure, is that this is more of a shiny gold, and I wasn't sure how the upkeep was going to be. I'm like, okay, fashion jewelry, will it tarnish? Will it start chipping and stuff like that? And honestly, I haven't seen anything thus far, okay? Mind you, I do not wear this. I don't wear either of the, mind you, I don't wear either of these pieces of jewelry in the shower. I don't sleep in them. I don't swim with them. Well, girl, you can't swim anyway. But I don't do any water activities with these earrings on. The only time water may be around is if it's raining. That's probably the only time this is surrounded by any sort of water. Other than that, no. But the Louise earrings, again, this is a little bit more bolder than the Fendi's, but I still love it. This looks so good with what I'm wearing. You know, it just adds a little extra sazon to it, you know, a little extra season, a little bop bop dop. Don't ask me what that all was, but you know, I really appreciate them. Now, as far as the weight goes on both of these, if I had to choose, I feel like the Louise is a little hair heavier. Like I can kind of notice it a little bit more than my Fendi earrings, but to me, they're both equally like non-existent on my ears. My ears can hold a hoop. That's what I'm trying to say. And I just don't feel like these are heavy. I know some people are a little bit more sensitive when it comes to the weight of their earrings. Not me. I'm a big girl. I can handle a hoop. Who was I watching? I was watching Marquita LV, and she was saying that her client advisor said that these were gold plated. Now, I was told that these were not gold plated. This was just gold paint on some like a metal material, like a brass or something. So I don't know whether or not this is truly gold plated or it's just gold painting on metal. So if someone does know that information, please let us know in the comment section. I know I would love to be informed correctly. But here's the thing, like a lot of people shy away from costume jewelry because it's not real. Neither one of these in my book is real anything, gold plated anything. So that's where I'm standing 10 toes down. This is not gold plated. That's how I feel about it, but I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, I will definitely let you know. But that's why a lot of people shy away from it, because it's like, why spend this type of money if it's not even real? Listen, the amount of wears I have gotten out of both of these earrings, like y'all see it in the videos. I wear these things, and outside of YouTube, I'm wearing these earrings. So I definitely feel like I've gotten my money's worth on both pairs of these earrings, and I love them to death. It's just like I can't even see my collection without these two earrings. And because number one, I'm a hoop girl, and number two, they're dope. They're fly. This is just me as a person. I'm a hoop. I need a little razzle dazzle, you know? Now, I know the big question is, girl, which one do you recommend, Louis Vuitton or Fendi? Which one are you gonna choose? Even though this one is not available because it's all gold, I'm still gonna say Fendi, even the gold and the silver one, because I feel like it's just a little bit more understated, and on top of that, it's a little bit cheaper, and you know who don't like paying less money, okay? So although I love the Louise earrings, and I still feel like it's a good buy, if you're someone who likes low-key luxury, maybe this isn't the vibe. Maybe you might enjoy maybe the studs, because they do have like a Louise stud, which is really, really cute. I don't think they call it Louise. I want to say Iconic is the name of those studs. But if you want something a little humbling, then the Louise might not be the option. You might actually like the Fendis a little bit more, because again, if you know, you know, okay? That low-key luxury, that's a vibe. That's a whole other situation. So, I mean, I still love both. I'm still glad that I have both, and I plan on having both in my collection until I'm old and gray. As far as the sizing goes, my Fendi ones are a slight bit bigger than the Louis Vuitton ones, which also makes me very, very happy, because again, bigger the hoop, the bigger the heart. So y'all know what y'all supposed to, y'all mean. So yeah, I'm just team Fendi on the earrings. I love Louis Vuitton. Don't get me wrong, I ain't parting ways. You ain't going nowhere, girl. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.